Good day to all employers there in Hong Kong. My name is Delma Basilio, 31 years old. I live in Ilagan City, Isabela, Philippines. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have a living partner and I have two kids boy. Their ages is 8 and 2 years old. My mother's name is Victoria Basilio. She is a farmer. And my father's name is Martin Basilio. He is already deceased. We are 10 siblings in the family, 3 boys and 6 sisters, and I am the 7th siblings in the family. I am a high school graduate in San Lorenzo Integrated School. I have a work experience here in my country, Philippines, as a helper from January 5, 2019 to January 5, 2021. They have 5 family members, the wife, the husband, and their 3 kids. Their ages is 6, 3, and 1-year-old baby. My duties and responsibilities there are taking care the baby, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, and ironing. And now, I confident to work abroad for the better future of my kids. Ma'am and sir, this is my first time to work abroad, but I know I have so much more experience to work as a helper and as a mother. Ma'am and sir, I am a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, kind, and responsible person. And most especially, I love kids. I will love them and I will taking care of them as my children. Please hire me, sir and ma'am, and I'm looking forward to work with you soon. Thank you and God bless.